Before getting started, confirm all items in the component list have been supplied. Inspect all components for damage or defects. Choose a well-lit workspace for assembly. Follow the assembly steps in the prescribed sequence. Use the recommended tools and avoid over-tightening. Grab a partner, as some parts of the assembly process require 2 people. Attach 4 corner brackets to the bottom panel. Use the 3mm hex screws and align with the pre-drilled holes. Install the 2 rear wheels on the end away from the corner brackets. Hand tighten the wheel bolt and wheel lock nuts. Install the front wheels on the end next to the corner brackets. Hand tighten the wheel bolt and wheel lock nuts. Use a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver and a 1/2 inch or 13mm wrench to securely tighten the nuts and bolts. Attach 5 corner brackets to the forward and rear edge of the right side panel. Use the 3mm hex screws and align with the pre-drilled holes. Attach 5 corner brackets to the front and rear edge of the left side panel. Use the 3mm hex screws and align with the pre-drilled holes. Ensure the rear wheels are locked to keep the bottom panel from rotating. Secure the right side panel, rear panel, and bottom panel together using the 3mm hex screws. Align with the pre-drilled holes. Interlock the divider panels. Please note, the shorter front-bottom divider should be installed at the narrow end of the top divider slope. Insert the middle center panel into the rear slot of the right side panel. Ensure the single slot side is facing the back panel, and insert the rear center divider. Make sure all interior wood pieces are securely in their appropriate channels at this time. If pieces are not in their channels, the left side of the cart will not align properly. Install the center divider edges into the right side panel slots. Make sure the edges are fully seated from top to bottom. Align the bottom of the left side panel with the divider edges and tilt the panel up. Make sure the divider edges are fully seated as the panel is tilted up. Secure the left side panel, rear panel, and bottom panel using the 3mm hex screws. Align with the pre-drilled holes. Install the front panel from the top down to interlock the divider edges and the slots in the front panel. Install the 3mm hex screws into the corner brackets on the right side panel using the pre-drilled holes. Install the accessory compartment panel into the channels created by the right and left side panels. Pull the right and left side panels together. Install the 3mm hex screws into the corner brackets on the left side panel using the pre-drilled holes. Insert the door hinge sleeve into the pre-drilled holes on the left side of the accessory compartment top panel and the bottom panel. Insert the hinges into the bottom panel and the accessory compartment top panel. While holding the top hinge in place, insert the accessory compartment door and hold it in place. Secure the hinges to the accessory compartment door with the door hinge screws. The slotted design of the hinge allows for minor adjustments for fitment. Install the handle screws with the handle washers into the holes in the rear panel. Use a number 2 Phillips screwdriver to secure the screws into the handle.